Presenting the Truke Buds S1 Bluetooth Turly Wireless in-ear earbuds with mic. It comes in color options of blue and black. It comes with deep bass, Buds S1 earbuds and Bluetooth earbuds. Enjoy a rich calling experience and low latency of up to 85 milliseconds with SPC codec. Buds S1 truly wireless earphones with mic and earbud and environmental noise cancellation technology. It has comfortable and secure fit earphone, best buddies to carry to your daily gym sessions and enrich your morning walks in the park with truke airpods. It supports Windows and iOS devices. It has single charge, 500 mAh charging case and additional playtime of up to 10 hours and making a total of up to 10 hours of playtime. It also has supports low power consumption, best gaming experience with dedicated gaming mode and superior connectivity and compatible with all Android. Tap 2 times of left earbuds to access your preferred Google Voice Assistant or Apple Siri. Easy access to answer call or change music tracks using touch control of these wireless earbuds and powerful music with 10mm dynamic driver speakers powered by AAC codec support on your Truke S1 headphone. The delivery box contains 2 Bluetooth earbuds, left and right, 1 charging case and 1 Type-C cable. 1 user manual, 1 warranty card and 2 pairs, ear tips. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.